Hi friends, it's Jackie. I just wanted to pop on here and share something very special with you today. In 2026, our country celebrates a big milestone, America's 250th birthday, marking 250 years since the signing of the Declaration of Independence on July 4th, 1776. To honor this milestone, I'm inviting you to join me for the 2026 Stars and Stripes Quilt Block Challenge. Together, we'll be making 20 quilt-as-you-go quilt blocks, each finishing at 12 inches. We'll quilt each block quilt as you go, one step at a time, and then we'll connect them using my quilt block connectors technique. And that makes the final assembly simple and stress-free. And we need that for 2026. The finished quilt will measure approximately 53 inches by 66 inches. No guarantees on that, but about there. For this challenge, we'll keep it classic using only 3 colors, red, white, and blue. You can use solid colors, or you can use prints, or you can use a mix of both. Pull from your scrap bin or go out and pick up some fabrics for this special project. There are no wrong choices here. Use what you love. A new block will be introduced on Sundays. Each Sunday is listed in the PDF download that I have for you. I'll link that in the description box below. For each block in the PDF, I have the cutting instructions. However, I don't have the sewing instructions because this is going to be a sew along. So you can cut ahead of time if you'd like. Otherwise, you can just do it with me when we make our blocks on Sundays. Again, I'll have a link to that PDF file in the description box below. So you'll want to go ahead and grab this. And I have included some of my favorite patterns, and most of them are vintage, which you know I love vintage blocks. We're going to take some time and really challenge ourselves. We're going to learn some new techniques. So I don't want to scare you because we'll be doing it together. So no worries. We'll take the time to learn some new things together in 2026. And I know that you can do it. You've got this. And it's so pretty. And by July 4th, 2026, you'll have a finished quilt. And in the weeks between our challenge blocks, I will continue to share videos for projects other than the challenge. And I want to try some new things in 2026. I'm excited to try some new rag quilt techniques. I want to explore using my serger more for quilting in 2026. And as always, I am looking for the perfect way to connect our quilt-as-you-go quilt blocks. I hope you'll stay tuned and continue to sew along with me. We're slowly making our way to 20,000 subscribers, and I truly cannot thank you enough for that. I just can't thank you enough for your encouragement, your support, and your kindness. This community means more than I could ever express to you. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a Bible verse and a final thought to encourage you. The Bible verse is from Galatians 5:13. For you, brethren, have been called to liberty. Only do not use liberty as an opportunity for the flesh, but through love serve one another. Freedom is a gift, but it's also a calling. We've been given liberty, not so we can rush ahead, do whatever we please, or think only of ourselves, but so we can choose love on purpose. True freedom shows up in the small, everyday decisions, in patience, in kindness, and in service. As we sew these blocks together, stitch by stitch, we're reminded that our hands can be used for something meaningful, creating with care, sharing what we make, and offering our time and talents to bless others. This is what loving service looks like. A quilt, much like a life, is made from many pieces joined together. On their own, they're simple, but when they're connected, they become something beautiful. May this upcoming project and all the projects in 2026 remind us that freedom is best lived out through love, that serving one another in even the quietest ways is never wasted. I hope that you will join me on this journey for the next challenge, and I hope that you will join me on my other projects, and I wish each and every one of you a blessed 2026. I wish you health, I wish you happiness, prosperity, and peace. And until the next video, God bless you.